Welcome to 7th lecture in our course Master Chatgpt and Other Awesome AI Tools. 1. In this 7th lecture, we will discuss about prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is a technique of writing effective prompts because the answer quality and the degree of personalization of answer which the ChatGPT gives is a function of the degree of personalization, clarity, specificness of your prompt. One must master the art of asking proper questions. That art is itself called prompt engineering. Further, we know that this ChatGPT is a conversational model. So it is not like Google where you have asked your search query once and then it is over. It gives a list of links. First, you have to ask a basic question, and then, based on the answer which ChatGPT has given, you have to continue the conversation by making your question more specific, more to the point, giving better context to the model. So, art of prompt engineering also involves mastering this conversational style. Rather than asking one long prompt, it is important to learn to ask several small but gradually improving prompts. Now, there are four important points which one must keep in mind for prompt engineering. One is context. Second is that remembering that the tool has memory. Third is becoming specific. And fourth is becoming iterative. Context. Context decides how ChatGPT engages with you. So that means you can ask it to act as an elementary math teacher. It will give answers according to elementary level mathematics. You can ask it to act as a therapist. You can ask it to act as a chef, music composer, dietitian. Basically, by asking it to act as a particular role, you are narrowing down the body of knowledge from which it searches the answer, which always ensures better and quick answer. Remembering that ChatGPT has a short-term memory, so you can ask ChatGPT to give you answer on topic in 6 bulleted points. And then you can tell it that in above answer, please elaborate point number 3 further. And it will be able to do that because it has retained the answer in its memory. However, there is a flip side also of this, and the flip side is that if you want to ask a totally different question on a totally different topic, then you have to clarify that in your prompt that now let's discuss on a different topic. Okay. Ask a specific question. Now, specificness has two aspects. One, first thing is that you have to give ChatGPT some definite task to perform. Okay. And that task should give some clear expected outcomes. So don't just say that give me information on history of 16th century America. Now that is fine, but you should ask it that can you give information about history of 16th century of United States of America from the point of view of sixth grader who is going to appear for so and so general knowledge examination. Now you are giving your task properly, so it will search the body of knowledge related to that examination. Okay, and second thing, as I said, learn to modify the prompt. Don't just regenerate. Of course, regenerating also gives different answer, but that is only slightly different. Instead, once you get one answer, read it carefully and then modify your prompt and be specific. Then be more specific. For example, change the tone to formal in above paragraph, or change the tone to casual in above paragraph, and it will be able to do that. And be iterative. Again, emphasizing that it is a conversational AI, so don't try to ask too many things in one prompt. Instead, slowly build up each next prompt based on answer of previous prompt iteratively. This is the best manner in which you can harness the real power of ChatGPT. Thank you.